Well, hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an iPhone that is plugged in but is not charging. So let's go ahead and dive in. For step number one, I want you to make sure your charging cord and also your squares work well. You can try them on someone else's iPhone or even an iPad as well, just to make sure that your problem is not in any of these right here. If it does charge on someone else's iPhone, that means these are good, but if it doesn't, that means you need to replace these. I'll have a link in the description that you can check out as well. But let's go ahead and dive into fix number two. For step number two, what I want you guys to try is to hard reset your phone. And what you're going to do, it depends on what type of phone you have. If you have an iPhone 6 or older, what you're going to do is press this home button right here and also press the power button and hold those down until you see the Apple logo pop up. If you have an iPhone 7, you're going to hold down the bottom volume right here and then also the power button right here. If you have an iPhone 8 or older, you're going to press up on the volume, press down on the volume, and then hold this power button right here. And you wait until after this screen right here, you wait until after the Apple logo pops up. And it's going to take anywhere from 10 to 15 seconds for it to pop back up. You're just going to hold it until the Apple logo shows up, and that means it has been hard reset. Then you're going to let that come back up, boot back up, and then plug it back in to see if that works. And then we're going to go ahead and try step three. For fix number three, I want to show you guys a couple options. The main thing you're trying to do is clean out this charging port on the bottom of your phone. A couple ways you can do this. Number one, safely, you can grab a toothbrush and again, just kind of clean in there. You can kind of just sweep in there, get a lot of that dust and dirt and stuff like that out of there, and it'll kind of come out. And that could be what fixes it. A couple other options for that is you could use a duster. If you have some of this kind of dust spray, you can spray in there. Those are both pretty safe options. And then one thing a lot of people recommend is you can try to find something that's plastic, that's small enough to kind of get in there and clean out the best you can. You can do that, and that should help it as well. And then another thing that I don't really recommend, but I have heard that works, and if you are in a super pinch, I recommend you go to the Apple store before you try this. But if you're in a super pinch and you have to have it right now, I have seen people use paper clips, stick them in there, but that could damage your iPhone and actually could mess it up. So be really careful if you do that. I don't recommend it, but I have seen it work, and I have heard people use it as well. But try, again, one of these other options before you have to go to this. Well, I hope this was able to fix your iPhone and get you back going. If it was, I'd love to know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below, and even leave me a comment if you have any questions. Love to help you out with that. But I hope you have a great day. Check out one of these other videos that have popped up here in the end screen, and I will see you in the next one.